Welcome to Unhinged Crypto. Today's show is part of my new series for beginners because I have a lot of friends who ask me questions that have not been involved in crypto and they want answers. So I thought, well, let me just put it on the air and then maybe there's more people who want to know. So a question that I get a lot is, I don't think I'm tech savvy enough to be able to get into crypto. I don't have any skills. I don't understand what it is. And my answer to people is, well, do you have an IRA? How much do you know about the stock market? But you put money in there because you feel that it's safe. So I think what they're really saying is that it's so new, right? But this is all going to change this year, right? You don't have to know very much about the company you're investing in. You're not a day trader. You don't need to have all those details. You just invest in the stock market without understanding even how it works. Most people, myself for a long time, did not understand much about how the stock market. But I will tell you one thing I like about crypto a lot more than the stock market is it's much, much harder to be manipulated by major entities. It's a computer program. It's kind of like that, So there, to me, the controls are coming from inside the technology rather than it being some outside forces. If you're asking this question, maybe you don't know anything about the stock market, so we don't have to go into that. But it's easy for the stock market to be manipulated by insiders. That's why they have the thing called insider trading. That is not as big of a deal in crypto. It's more of a free open market, I feel. It's my opinion, more than other markets. Can it be manipulated? Probably. Will some people figure it out? I'm sure they will. But for now, it's not as manipulated. So to me, that makes it feel like it's a little more secure. And you don't have to know anything. You can Google like how to do a Bitcoin wallet. But one of the things I tell my friends, you can get it in PayPal or Venmo. You don't even need a wallet. That's a really simple way to do it. So maybe you'll try it today.